Well, kids, now let's see what animals can we find in Australia. Yes? So you can click here and you can listen. Dolphin, yes. Shark, whale, you click on the name. Killer whale, turtle, seal, sea lion, coral, crab, penguin, eel, jellyfish, lobster, octopus, otter, oyster, seahorse, seashell, shrimp, squid, and two more here, starfish and tuna fish. Which ones can you find in Australia? Have a look at the video again and check.